Hello everyone, I am Tahira. So, before going to my topic, I wanna ask you a question, that is, what is the reason behind that we all are studying much comfortably or easily? For this question, there are many answers. For example, good education, good schools, good teachers, good technologies, etc. But I say that we are studying much comfortably or easily because of the trees, because papers books come from the trees. So see, the trees are also performing their role in our education system. My topic is forest and wildlife. So what is the need to manage forest and wildlife, or what will happen if forest and wildlife are not managed? So a loss of a biodiversity may lead to the loss of ecological stability. Biodiversity means a variety of lives on a earth across all of the different levels of biological organization. See, you can see here different kind of lives are they here, and more than that kind of life we have in our earth. So that is called biodiversity. And ecological stability means that now, in this world every living organism are depend on one another. For this, the general example is the children. They will be always dependent on their mother. If she cook, then only she can eat. And the mother is dependent on father, means our father. If father brings groceries and vegetables from the market, then only he can bring to our home. So and father is dependent on seller, and sellers are dependent on farmer. If they plant trees and groceries, then only they then only he can sell. So like this, we all are dependent on one another. But nowadays the people nowadays people are not thinking anything about this. They are going on cutting the trees. If like this only happens, goes on cutting the trees, the ecological stability losses. So just like this, our earth looks like this only. If there is no biodiversity, there is no ecological stability, then earth looks like this. But earth gives us many profits, like the sources, honey, drumstick, milk, cheese, ham, apple, and many things more than that. But peoples are cutting trees. They are not thinking anything about ecological stability, biodiversity, and all. They are just thinking about their luxurious life. They are cutting trees and making forests and making polluted our earth. To protect this, we have IUCN members. IUCN members means International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It works for the conservation of flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. But all are not getting free. Some people are there who are performing their role to our environment. For example, Salumarata Timmaka. She has performed her role to our environment. She has planted many trees. So it's our time to perform our role to environment. So before finishing my session, I wanna tell you will be happy if I will tell that our country has a rich diversity of flora and fauna. It consists of a 1 to 2 million animals and 35 billions of plants, which is plants are very less because compared to the population of our country, the plants are very less. So lastly, I would like to ask a question that I wanna ask you the questions, and I'll get suggestions from you, that you all are agree with me that we should not cut trees,
Yes.
and you all are agree with me that we should read comfortably and easily.
Yes.
So If we want to read comfortably or easily, we should cut trees to make papers or books. Yes. Okay, so we should cut the trees for get the papers and books. So what can we do? Yeah, we can do that. Whenever we cut a tree, we can plant more than that of tree. Then the balance will also be equal. So before finishing my seminar, I wanna tell a slogan: plant a tree, grow a flower. Let's give Mother Earth back her power. So thank you for giving the opportunity to be grateful.